Good morning, traders. I would like to take a recap of yesterday's trading and just do a small review of what I'm doing here. So you won't see any charts, but you'll see the track record of what I list while I'm trading. This is live trading yesterday. I took 5 trades. Remember, it's 1 contract per trade. And there are the stats. I had a winner, a loser, and at that point I was minus $80 for the morning, knowing the next trade up, if it was a full loser at $80 to $100, I was done trading for the day. My max loss is $200 for the day, and I would be done trading. Fortunately, I was able to step up, and Mr. Market was nice enough to give me 2 more winners. But at that point I had 5 trades for the day, from about 8 o'clock to a little after 10, so for 2 hours trading. And that was enough. You really don't need to be trading with just multiple trades during the day, chewing up commissions, having 10, 20, 30 trades a day, like many traders I talk to have had in the past. This is not a sexy experiment for those listening. It doesn't get you all excited, doesn't make you want to trade. But on the other hand, what I am showing traders is it is possible to trade with a small account, trade 1 contract per day, and build an account. You're not going to make a living, but hopefully you're able to build an account for the long haul. Now I know I'm up against rooms, indicator packages, methods, strategies, and so forth. And Uncle Mike sits here and looks at the kind of like a legal scale, and maybe you should take a look at it that way. You've got this balancing act, which in this industry is not really balanced. You have on one hand the wild, what I call kind of wild prediction. It appeals to the greed all of us have, the lure of day trading, of being able to come in. It looks like it's very easy to do. Sit at your computer, push a few buttons, and magically have money in your account. I think all of us realize that that's not the case. But what you're bombarded with each day, or susceptible to, are the following. 9 out of 10 advertisements that you're going to see for day trading are going to tell you how you can make all this money, how in a room or methodology they have there, whoever is marketing this, they're making $800, $1,500, $2,000 a day. And look how great it is. On the other hand, I'm in the 10% group who I feel are just brutally honest, saying that this is how it is, and bringing it down to the least common denominator, let's say 1 contract, that this is what you can make. Now, $800, $1,000, $1,200 a day, or $80 a day? Which do you prefer? So you start from that point of what do you prefer, typically gravitating towards the $800, $1,200 a day. But then what really happens? You start trading, you're into any of these indicator strategies, rooms, whatever, and lo and behold, what happens? You're minus 200, 300, 400, 800 a day, and it doesn't work. You're not making money. But what happened? I was shown, promised, almost guaranteed that, boy, if I did this, I would be making all this money. And it turns out that most traders get into that type of predicament. They're following just our deep down emotional aspect of greed that is normal for all of us, and you're in a situation where you're consistently losing money, and that's where most traders are. So you can see, and I don't want to rant upon this, but you can see how make $800,000 a day, make $50 or $80 a day. Now the 50 or 80 or 100 I feel are realistic because most traders are trading 1, 2, 3 contracts. They're on the smaller size. Those with the $800, $1,200 a day, they may be showing trading 10, 20 contracts, and then you need to extrapolate down. Well, I think it's better in this journey here for the next month. I'm going to show with one contract. I will build up, and I will show you in the room of what can take place. Have to be disciplined and consistent. Doesn't mean you're going to win every day either. You are going to have some losses. But this project was started on 3/26, and we're going to take it through. I'm just going to show you here. This is the live account that I trade with one contract, and so far this is what's happened up till yesterday. So we've had 7 days of trading. So come and join me if you would like to trade that way. Hopefully see a different side. Hopefully brush the little greed monkey off your shoulder. And if you are interested in learning and seeing realistically of how you as a trader can, 1, build an account, 2, make a living and be consistent and disciplined if you have a larger account, and 3, hopefully all of our dreams is to start with a small account, build it and learn how to trade, and then be able to trade for a living. Thanks for joining me, and I'll update you tomorrow.